So this video is brought to you by, you guessed it, myself, because Lenovo didn't send me this. Best Buy sent me this with my bank account. But you guys had really good reception on my Acer Aspire Slim 15 or whatever it was video. And I also wanted to showcase another product at Best Buy that is really well received. I think it's like $370 at the time that I purchased this, which was about a week ago. But in all seriousness, I'm gonna see how this is for $370. Let you guys know if it's worth it. Maybe there's some other stuff that's better that you can buy for around $400. But yeah, let's get this unboxed. Also, this is my first Lenovo ever in my life. So let me go ahead and, I think my knife's in here. I don't have a knife, I have a pizza cutter. Might as well put it to use. There we go. And I'll put this right here. So, packaging is, you know, we're not getting no fancy stickers or anything like that. You know, we really just need the laptop and the cable. So we get some paperwork, Windows S mode, interesting, safety and warranty. Definitely feels like plastic. Ooh, it's blue. I like this. I really like this. Wow. Is this metal? This is metal for sure. 100% this is metal on the top. Wow, this is nice. This is nice, guys. So before I open it, let me take you guys around the device real quick. So we have a micro SD card slot and a headphone jack. And then moving on to the other side, we have so many ports here. So we have what looks to be our power adapter, HDMI full size, and then we have 3 USB ports. Wow. So for $370, you're already getting more ports than anything anyone could ask for on a $1,000 laptop these days. So let's open it up. So smooth. So services, thank you for your purchase. You're gonna love this. Wow, Lenovo's really nice. I like that, Lenovo. So let's go ahead and get this powered on. This is the IdeaPad3. It even has this Lenovo.
You're saying it wrong.
Lenovo engraving over here as well, etched inside. I like that, and I just realized I probably have to plug this in. Is that it? This is the power adapter? Come on, Lenovo, this is too good. This is too good. I like this. I don't like those big power adapters with like, this goes to the wall, then it's a block, and then the other part goes to your computer. More companies need to start doing this for all their laptops, except if you have like a 3070 Max-Q or something. Listen, I just need you to boot for like a second. Oh my gosh, this won't go in. There we go. Circuit breaker or something. Okay, we're good. And I feel like this display is, I don't want to say it's garbage, but it's just not up to my standards. So let's look at the screen together, guys. I think it goes without question that, okay, Cortana, I don't have time for this.
I'm Cortana, and I'm here to help.
It should be a standard that all displays should be 1920 by 1080, regardless of their price, especially a 15-inch model. The wider you are, I don't even know, this is like 700 something. Let me look real quick. This is 1366 by 768. This is like a little bit over 720, but it's like barely better than 720. Another thing that I guess I like about this laptop is how light it is. It's just very long. Like, my goodness, it's too long for me. I'm now like a 13-inch person. 14 would be pushing it, but 15-inch computers I can't do anymore. They're just too big for me to like walk around with. Ooh, the keyboard is nice. I will give it credit for that. Ooh, I got a notification on Android. Yeah, this keyboard, it's like I have grip as soon as I like put my fingertips over the key. Trackpad, it's very It's a trackpad, so I think it is touchscreen. Yeah, it is touchscreen, so that is nice. That is very nice, actually. I love that. God, this keyboard, guys, I'm telling you, this is nice. I guess kind of a bummer, not so much just because it's not black on white, it's gray on white, and these keys look pretty legible, but I mean, if you're in pitch black, it doesn't matter what color your keys are. It doesn't seem like the screen gets very bright as well, so this computer might only be used like during daytime, or if you're using it at night, you might want to grab like a desk light or something overhead for you to see the keys itself. But pretty nice overall. So this is getting set up. So while it's doing that, let me go ahead and crack this bad boy open. If you can upgrade the RAM and storage, I think that's another major plus. You know what I miss? Actually, not really. I was gonna say I miss CD drives, but I'm just kidding. CD drives just made the computer so heavy. I wish this was a live stream. Maybe I should start doing like review or unboxing live streams. Cause I was gonna ask like, how is your guys' day? But I'm not streaming, so. But I guess you can leave me a comment below of how your day is, or evening, I don't know. You guys wanna hear a joke? The iPad Pro is supposed to be a better computer than this. Ah! Funny. So it looks like I have all the screws out. So let's see how easy it is to actually crack this thing open. So what is a common tool that people have? I want to use a credit card. I'm not trying to like slice my fingers open. Okay, here we go. Seems back here is the easiest way. Ow, ow, ow. Man, the inside of computers look nice. So let's take a look inside of here. So we have the battery right here. This looks to be, is this the Wi-Fi card? Yes, this looks to be the Wi-Fi card if I'm not mistaken. We have a thermal pad here. This is more than likely the storage, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, this is the solid state 256 right there. This right here looks like we can add our own SATA 3 SSD. I think it's like a 2.5 inch. I don't know the sizes anymore. It's been so long. We have a single slot of storage as well. So I guess if we want to upgrade that, we can. Make sure when you put it back on, it like snaps in like this, like that. This is not snapped in, so there we go. All right, so we are all good. I love this finish on the top, by the way. So while you're getting things ready for me, I'm just gonna go ahead and screw you back in. No, please, please, please come back. No, please. I know this shouldn't be in the video, but I've started One Piece from the beginning and I'm on episode, I think 10. Let me tell you, it's actually a pretty good show. I don't know how long it's gonna take me to catch up, but honestly, like I said, it's a pretty good show. Oh my gosh, I didn't even notice that. Let me show you guys this. Wow, this is incredible. Slide this over, a red dot will appear, and that means your camera is no longer working. I think that's pretty nice, I like that. So the screen does get bright while my eyes wanna start crying. It's not like bright, but this is bright. Let me go by the sun real quick and see if it's good at like the sunlight, because you know people want to use their computers outside sometimes. Ouch. Yeah. Yeah. Listen, it's bright indoors, but outdoors you might have some trouble. Not gonna lie. Yeah, not gonna lie. It's a little bit hard to see outdoors. All right, so let's go to YouTube. Let's go to YouTube and test out these speakers real quick. Let's talk about the event itself first. So Microsoft, you gotta fix your servers or production team, do like a trial run, because the impression I had for the event was kind of disappointing. Hey, too many people are on Microsoft Teams right now. I'm good. Hey, listen, I'm good. I'm good. Speakers are good. I think they're pretty good for, you know, listening to voices. I don't know about music. Music might be a little bit, you know, something else. What's your name? I'm gonna play that real quick. Probably get a copyright strike. So I'm gonna play some other music on top. honestly, the speakers are pretty good. Much better than I expected. All right, let's do a quick typing test, even though I know that this typing test is gonna be out of this world. All right, so let me get into position. Probably one of the best keyboards I've ever typed on in my life. And I'm a picky person when it comes to keyboards. This is nice. Like, nice. I'm mesmerized. Even though my words per minute is pretty slow, I think it's just because I'm not adjusted to this numpad. I haven't been typing with numpads too often on the laptop, but this keyboard is nice. I love it. So let's go ahead and test out the camera, see how that's like. Also the microphone as well, because maybe you might be doing some video conferencing and stuff. So yeah, let's try that out. So one thing I noticed, guys, is this. So if I don't want the camera, I can also click this button. Boop, no camera. Oops, it's recording. This is awkward. I'm gonna keep on rolling with it. So guys, welcome. This is the camera, or I should say video and a microphone test of the Lenovo IdeaPad3. Let me know how it looks and sounds. I think it's pretty below standard, but you know, it's like, it is what it is. Like I said before, you can swipe the camera, can't see squat, and then it's gonna be like a ray of sunshine. Ow! As soon as it comes back, it's having a hard time adjust like what's what. Now it's a little bit better, but yeah, this is a below standard camera if I'm being honest. Lenovo, step it up. Real talk. The only thing I don't like about this laptop, because the backlit keys are whatever for me. I would say it's the display. The fact that it's lower than 1080, it's kind of a deal breaker for me. It's probably not a deal breaker for some. You know, if you're a person who's really just trying to use this for, I guess, consuming content, you don't really care about resolution. If you're happy with like 720, or you just want to get the content and that's it. You don't really care how it looks. And you know, it's not like I'm saying this is terrible, but I would say, you know, with the standard of HD and 1080 being, I guess, the blanket of everything nowadays, I would say that Lenovo should probably have made this with a 1080 screen, and it would be like a killer machine. Once again, I can see why people are picking this up. I mean, you have 3 USB-C ports, a dedicated HDMI port. So if you want to plug this up to like a monitor or something, you can have a much better display. Full-size micro SD card slot. Speakers sound great. Trackpad feels good. Doesn't click that well in my opinion, but you know, it is what it is. You can always get a mouse. Design, it looks incredible. Upgradability path is there. It's got it. The keyboard types great. I mean, I can see why people are buying this like crazy. I think the price probably went up by the time I post this video. Dedicated, you know, camera, privacy, microphone as well. This thing got it. Missing 2 things, like I said before: display, backlit keys. This computer would be killer at $400, but you know, this isn't a bad laptop. I think most people can get away with using this for, you know, light use, stuff like that. But yeah, hopefully you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, I appreciate every sub, like, and comment. And as always, guys, much love. Last thing I forgot to mention, I already said the display, but it is kind of hard to see this thing. Or it's kind of hard to see the display outside, so do keep that in mind. If you're a person who's, you know, trying to use this outdoors, be a little bit more, I guess, outdoorsy with your work environment, this might not be the laptop for you. But with that being said, still a good laptop. Still a good laptop. Wow, but man, hey, I hate to do this, but hey, this is the MacBook Air. Let me tell you, this display on another level. It's on another level. It's like double the, hey, I can't speak for this laptop. This is not a MacBook video. This is a Lenovo IdeaPad video. So take it for what it is.